Yeah, we are live. We are live now. Pai, Ekaro, Baboni, Moakapo, Alafiani. Pai is in Nigeria, na? Okay. Danish here yet? No, Danish is not here yet, I think. Naveen is here. Naz, Nived, okay. Okay, Naveen, welcome. I'm just seeing on Prabha's side or anyone there or anything, nothing yet.
On his channel, we cannot post the link. It will straight get banned. I have posted the link here. Can you just post on that group price action? Because we will get banned if we post any link there
No,
in
I can
Prabha's
do
group.
that. I can do
Yeah,
that. I can
please.
do that. Yeah. So what I'll do is um, I'm sending it to Prabha himself, and what I will do is I will do it here. Let's see. Because that way then they can use the YouTube link to come in, yeah. And I will put it in our room as well in case, yeah. And I think we'll give a message there as well. Use YouTube link to join live stream. Okay. Charles is here as well. Okay. Because unfortunately, in this StreamYard thing, only 10 can come in. After that, it says room full, you see? No.
Yeah, uncle.
Sumit, fine. I'm fine. Himanshu, fine. Okay. When the Americans wake up, I do expect a bit of a rally today, huh?
Okay.
S&P. So what does S&P? Does this one, yeah. So it will, even if you can call it like I don't know, what do they use the term dead cat bounce, yeah?
Right. Okay.
Dead cat bounce, because relentless down, you get extreme up as well, huh? Or going the other way around, In a bull market, you get extreme bear spikes. In a bear market, you get bull spikes. That kind of thing. No?
Right, right.
Um, uh, Yesterday, I would think maybe Dow or whatever was lost about maybe 500-600 points, and I think overnight has lost around maybe 500-600 points again. Yeah.
Correct, correct.
But if you look, or everyone can look at the last live stream we did, and we had that number of 4288, yeah, or 4277. And I said in the coming near weeks, we are going to go much, much lower, yeah.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, you had mentioned, Uncle, that
Yeah,
it is
remember,
going
I think
down. Yeah,
I
it will
forget
go
the
down.
exact number. I'm getting old now, but we've come quite drastically down. So I think we give about say 5. I will be able. Pai, Ekaro, Arafiani. Now we will be able to hear you if you talk. Nunji, somebody new. Sarat is here. Okay. Reply to Telegram. Okay. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, okay. The mug is quite small, Uncle.
That's my. Would you believe it? In one day, I have about 18 mugs of Turkish coffee in that one, kahwa.
My goodness. Yeah.
And I can sleep like a donkey after that as well. It doesn't affect me. Before, at my, our family place, business as well, which my brother and them run now, I gave it to them. Petrol station and garage and whatever. Those big, extra big cans of Red Bull, yeah?
Right. Okay.
I would drink about 4 or 5 in the morning while I go there at 6 in the morning and things like that, yeah? And I would still be feeling sleepy, it wouldn't affect me. My brother would
Yeah.
say, "My God, you go hyper." I said, "No, man, still feeling tired." uh, I think sometimes also it depends on your body and also depends on your mindset. That if you have this thing that, oh, if I drink coffee at 8 o'clock, I will not be. Then that builds inside yourself, and it's more
Right. Right.
psychological than the caffeine itself.
Right. Right.
I'm not saying it's a good habit, but it's just like you have to give up smoking. Yeah, if you can give it up for say 10 minutes, you can give it up for half an hour, into 4 hours, into one day, whatever. Yeah, but if your brain in
Right.
there is like you see somebody smoke and you might have even left it for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, or whatever, then you are gasping for it. You see, because your brain has not totally obliterated it. Yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
It's just me. I mean, this is my gutka business, yeah? I have to have it. If it runs out, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'll drive to Manchester and pick it up and come back.
Oh,
And that's
really?
like about 140-mile trip.
Just to get the gutka.
Yeah. And would you believe I used to smoke a pipe before, yeah? In 2000, I chose a pipe. I never even touched it.
No, no,
But
good, good.
this thing is more addictive and what you say, very difficult to give up, yeah?
Hmm.
But I myself, I am the one to blame in that many times, like even like last month or so, I left it for about nearly about 2 months, yeah. And just
Okay, good.
last 2.5 weeks, I started it again. I found a packet in the room, opened it, and then back to ran to
No,
Manchester,
but
got
yeah.
boxes and everything.
Right, right, right. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so How many? Okay, it's fine. If they come, they can come. If not, it's up to them. Yeah, because we're not worried. Yeah. Okay, so anyone wants to have their mic on as well, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. And okay, yeah, okay. Let's do it. Let's do it because or they can watch it after or whatever or anything. Yeah. But let's get this pen thing working. Okay. I did post a chart very quickly in the morning. Around 3:30 in the morning for the Dow. Yeah.
Right.
And you've seen the target, the ABCD pattern and whatever have you, yeah? I mean, S&P has not done the D for S&P is around 3,800, 3,800 mark, yeah?
Right. Right.
So it will bounce, and then we hope that it comes down to that, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, that is it for S&P, yeah? So, and today is a S2L day.
Okay.
S2L, so without giving the farm away, I'll just give a little hint for it. So S2L day, what happens is when the market opens and within 45 to say 90 minutes, yeah, in that time frame, it will give either a shallow low or a deep low, yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
and then it will try to make a V shape.
We
It
cannot
will
see
go.
your screen.
Oops, thank you. I knew I'd forgotten something. Now you can?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so let's do this again. So today is what I said was a S2L day, yeah? So when Wall Street opens, within 45 to 90 minutes is better to wait. And it will, after the open, it will give either a shallow low or a deep low, yeah? And then the pattern will be either climbing the stairs, yeah? Like a V shape, climbing the stairs, yeah? Or if it's a proper S2L deep one, then what can happen is like a tennis ball dropping down the stairs. And then right near the end of the day or kind of thing like 35, 45 minutes, then it will try to do a little of a reset, yeah? But this is the pattern that you have to look for today.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and that is, S2L blue day, yeah? S2L blue, okay? Okay, so make sure when I'm doing this that I give you all the numbers now. You see
Right.
all the numbers. My eyes are fine, but they do tend to lose focus all of a sudden at times.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, these are the Dow numbers. Same. What does S&P does the Dow? Yeah,
Right. Right.
and you are Templars. So which numbers would you think? What is 7 times 7 times 7? Yeah, that's the first number to
Yeah. Yeah.
remember.
343. Yeah.
It's at the top nearly. Yeah.
Right. Right. Okay.
Okay. And in the morning, I think we saw it. I think around 3228 or 3414 or something like that. I posted now. But let's see how they open. Nasdaq will be the same thing again. Oh, thanks. I mean, yeah, you were saying share the screen. I had forgotten that. Now everyone can see that. Okay. No. Okay. These are the numbers for Nasdaq. Same thing. Okay. Taxi. And look, we are making the V-shaped bottom as well. You can see. So stop below here, halfway line in between, and we know that you should draw the lines in between these lines. Yeah.
Right.
And you can see, like, look, where was yesterday's number? You can see this little faint line, yeah? And see what's happening?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 1444, 143, okay. Fine, nice numbers, nice numbers. Nifty, same game. Pop and drop.
Right.
I think Naveen or somebody asked in the morning or something was saying, and I did say. So, okay. Sunil Bhai is the man who does most of this stuff. Putsi as well, downer. Okay. French, we don't. Most guys don't look at French, but since gap down open, French have more issues than anybody else. Okay, oil. What you say is oil is a commodity and is also what you would say a currency, yeah. Because oil, you can think of it as the, I don't know, you can call it, what do they call it? The petrodollar, yeah?
Correct. Yeah, but
Petrodollar, yeah. So it is not only a commodity, but energy, and also you can think of it as a petrodollar, yeah? Now,
right.
okay. Question for all you guys here. What would you do with oil? Would you buy it here? Would you sell it? Or do nothing? Yeah, I mean, doing nothing is allowed as well. Yeah, it's uncommon. Uncommon. It is very uncommon for traders to do nothing. That's the biggest problem. Yeah, if they didn't, most times if they didn't do anything, they would not be in trouble. Yeah, but a trader
Right.
can't go away. He has to hit the button, buy or sell.
Yeah.
Okay, so what would you do? What would you plan to do with this? Everyone quiet. You can type it, you can shout it, you can put your thumbs up or anything. I mean, but say something. Okay, Nived, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I agree with that because we're going to around 97 or whatever. Yeah. Okay. See this pattern here. I'll just mention it briefly. Have you ever heard of the egg of Columbus? No?
No.
Okay. Egg of Columbus pattern, George Bayer, yeah? This pattern, he describes it like food and party, and you eat the food and then you get drunk and all this, and then after drinking so much, then they puke up and all this. It's basically a fish and bird and pattern. But can you see the bird? Yeah? Can you see? Bird, now you're making a neck. And then when the neck finishes, it will make rubbish at drawing, but basically what we can say is, can you see this is the bird? Rubbish at drawing, yeah? Now we're making a neck, and then it will do like that, and you will get a candle coming down like that or whatever. So they call it that a pigeon is dropping a piece of almond and then down. Yeah. So yes, it is a short, and you just can keep it. They can do minus and try and touch the roundy 100 or something like that, whatever. Put very small size, hold it, and it will fizzle out. Okay, that is the pattern for oil. I am short already. I posted early in the morning. Yeah, and I'm happy to add to it and everything. George Bayer, yes, Nibet. Hans Hanula, George Bayer, but they call it the egg of Columbus. Okay, so keep the numbers there. Now, basically, even if with the bird or whatever, what you need to do is wait and see. It gives you a transition. Remember, we said no transition, no trade, yeah? And reshape. Well, one thing is no hero business at the moment, yeah?
Right.
Better to be a coward and live for tomorrow. Don't try to be a hero and become a zero at the end of the day, yeah? So don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No big sizes, please, yeah?
Yeah.
And write it out. And we're going to do, inshallah, on Sunday, we're going to do trends, but I'll just give you a little snippet. You will agree this is higher high, higher lows, or whatever you can call it, yeah? Agreed?
Yeah.
Huh? So I'm not going to draw perfection or anything. I'm just going to just do this. Actually, I should do it from say here, yeah. Now we can say this is the trend, yeah. Agreed?
Yes.
Now, question to all of you guys who do trends and all this, and it is trend is up and all this. Is this trend stable? Higher high, higher lows, textbook stuff is perfect, yeah. Is it stable?
As per the current market, this one, so many things going on. We cannot say it is.
No,
Okay.
Junaid, Junaid. Forget current conditions, marketing. Just the picture, just a trend. Don't even. I could have just done it here like this, yeah. If I did that and I draw one trend like that, I draw this one there, and we can say this is the one I've drawn for this one, yeah. So from A, B, C, yeah,
Yeah.
D, and we put this like that, yeah. Which trend is the most stable one? Strong and stable.
It is a CM.
Huh? Because it's like 45 degrees, yeah? I mean, sorry,
Yes.
B is like 45 degrees. This is the most stable one, yeah? This
Yeah.
will be like around 33, yeah? So these are stable, okay?
Right.
D is very uncertain, yeah? Because it is too weak. It's weak, yeah? This one here is like, we can say 66 or 70% or something like that, yeah? So
Right.
that means it is unsustainable. It's unsustainable. And when you look on a higher frame, you will see like a big move like that. This is what you call a parabolic move, yeah? This is a parabolic move. When you get a parabolic move, it will retrace to the cog. Okay?
Okay.
Crash course on trend with GAN.
Right.
Yeah, so you can roughly draw a line here and draw a line like that, and you wait for it to come here, break that line, and see if we come back to retest. You see? There you are. There's your trade in oil.
Mm-hmm.
Nived, the 50% retracement or pullback or whatever, in GAN term, we call it the cog, center of gravity. Yeah? Now, I mean, you can call it anything you like. I'm just giving you a terminology for GAN, what he used to call it COG, yeah, center of gravity. Okay. Because 50% of anything is very important. Halfway, yeah. Okay, so you got all the levels on here. Brent, Same thing, yeah. Same thing in Brent, yeah. Same thing. And see, we said, look, parabolic. That's what I was getting. You see, parabolic move. So that has to fizzle out. And oil and things like that is not for the faint-hearted, yeah. I mean, oil can move $2, $3, $5, $7 in a blink of an eye. And for example, I think it was February or March time in NATO and whatever said they were going to bomb. They approved the bombing of Libya, yeah. And oil went up by about $50 in a blink of an eye, yeah. And then when they did bomb Libya, oil fell down. Huh? So, okay, gold. Okay. Look, 888, 1881, 97, 19, 19, 1921, 9, we did 1939, World War 1945, we've done as well. Yeah, we're at World War II, yeah, 1945, yeah. Okay. Gold. I'm already short, yeah. And I have said if he does a spiker as a blow off, I would love it to touch. I would love this bugger to come around this 1972. If it comes around there, I'm going to hammer it so much that I think South Africa is going to cry in their gold mines, you know. That number, when it gets there, I mean, joking apart, is very important. If it gets there, you need to watch it very carefully because you might just do like a one spike or undershoot it and then sunk. Okay? So if you do a position trade or whatever, you can take a very, very small trade around here, your first trade, and then watch only for this 72 area. If it comes, then add in small, yeah, and then leave it. And then if it flows over until it turns final, seals the top, then you can add a third, and then you can ladder it downwards. Okay? Make sense?
Yeah, okay.
Huh? Makes sense now? I hope I'm explaining easy and okay. But when I say you take one position, two position, and three position, this does not mean that you are averaging the position, okay? Each trade, you can think of it as a separate trade on its own merit, on its own setup, okay? So when 3 comes to 2, you take the 3 off. If it comes back to 3, you put it back in again. So while you are waiting, you make it pay, you make it pay, you make it pay. When the 2 comes to 1, you take it off. If it comes back again, put it back in again. And then that way you will be weaving with it, and you'll make a lot more rather than waiting for one average position to come and things like that. And you're not in what you would say as any risk kind of a situation. Nunj, I'm fine. Nunj, that name rings a bell. Let me put him on. I'm always good. He's not connected, yeah. Yadav is new as well, added, yeah. I'm fine, Nunj. You can hear me, I hope. Oops, some comments. Okay, Sumit, any recovery? Yeah, Sumit, you will get what I termed as a dead cat bounce, yeah, in Nifty, yeah, and then it will turn down. So that's what I told everyone in the morning. Okay, even though you trade Nifty, you must look at S&P 500 and them, yeah, as to what are they doing. What does Wall Street? So does that. Okay, so you got all the numbers for that. Where are we? Silver. Hi, silver. Hi, ho, silver. Okay. Same thing as gold, yeah. So wait here, and we are at a square, aren't we? Remember, trading silver is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 5 times 5? 25. We are there. Yeah. What is 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 25 over 25 is what? 61. 61 divided by 2 is what? 30.5. Yeah. So next edge area would be around 35 mark. Yeah. And in between, if it fizzles out, you need to look at 7 times 4, which is 28.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
I mean, Junaid, you will have got it within a blink, and Sarat and everybody, because, but you have to. That's what I'm trying to say. That you just don't look at the chart. You look at the numbers as well, because a chart is only these candles and everything that you're looking at. It is only a picture representation of numbers. Yeah, it's a pictorial representation of numbers. So if you know your numbers, it will help you. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Okay. Um, something silly. Something silly. Yeah. So Nived is good at maths. Yeah. What's 25 squared? No calculator. What's that? The calculator or brain? Okay. So now Nived, everybody. What's 35 squared? Brain, huh? Okay. I think I know how you are doing this. Okay. So 65 squared. Now I will know. I'll know if Nived knows this. Okay, I got you, Nived, because this is Indian mathematics and you worked it out. It is so simple, yeah. Actually, this old man of around 70, 75 taught me this, yeah. It will help you with squares a lot. It says 65 squared. So all you do is, what is 5 times 5 is 25, yeah. So if you got two sixes, what is the number above? 7, yeah. What is 7 times 6 is 42. So you can do the squares in your head in a blink of an eye. Yeah? Okay. Abdullah Rashis, somebody new as well. Come in, welcome. Okay. Naveen Bhai, welcome as well. Okay. So you got all the numbers for silver, huh? Okay. Euro USD. Okay. Now, if we're thinking of all this economies dying down and war and all this, because that is the main flavor of the few days or week now. S&P and them are falling like crazy. Gold is going up like crazy. Yeah. Currencies are hardly doing anything. Yeah. Because look, euro is hardly moving. It's hardly moving. I mean, so, and Ukraine is Europe basically, and it's on the doorstep. Yeah. Yeah. So some things are not adding up to me anyway. Yeah. And obviously, I showed you about how you trade euro and USD CHF at the same time. Yeah. Here, what can you see? Eyes. What can you see, guys? What can you see? I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. What can you see? No, make or break, a picture. Nived, I'm looking for a picture. No label. I'm looking for a picture. And I said, I'm giving you a hint. And I just put the hint away as well. Did you get it or not yet? Not yet. Here, look. Can you see? We can say this is a cup and this is a handle. Yes? This is the first cup, yeah? This one here is making a second cup. Agreed? Makes a handle and then down. Can you see? This is 2. We have 2 cups of tea. One inverted, one facing the other way. Yeah, the upwards. Yeah, this one's falling down. And remember that all you guys who came on the webinar or whatever, look, range, breakout. Most guys will have bought around here the FOMC, what you call the, fear of missing out, FOMO guys, yeah? And then what did he do? Near enough. But because it was a strong one, it pulled back, but you see, it did not give you the wash and rinse pattern, yeah? And then it made it up again. Does that help? No? Okay. GBP USD cable. Cable is down as well. Wait and see. Maybe the Russians are taking the money out of UK. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait and see on that one. AUD was down. Yes. $72 minus the 36 from there. You can work it out. Can you do me one favor, everyone? Nah? Either type in the comment box, the normal comment box, or just type in the private box. Nah? Because when I look at 1 and 2 and try to go, my eyes are gone. Yeah, that's right. Thanks. Okay, Kiwi will be similar situation. Yeah, what does Aussie does Kiwi? Yep, down. Okay. Now, Euro JP. What are we? Okay. Let's go to Kiwi again. Remind me now. I give you all the levels. Yeah, you got all the levels. Yeah, because it's important. I think this live stream thing, I don't know, besides we having a chat, what do you guys think? Is this way better than me doing, okay, because it's my habit, I will still make the daily levels and post it in the room. But I think this way is better in that you have everything and a bit of dialogue with it as well, yeah? Instead of just numbers and chart.
Yeah, this way people can ask questions if they have any doubts or anything
because,
particular pair.
I feel that because it makes it easier for me, because look, this is the amount of the ones I used to post every morning. Remember, it used to take me about 4 hours to do them and post them. Yeah, this way is better because you can ask a question or something as well, instead of just like, I don't know. Let's see here. This is the chart I gave in the morning, yeah? This is the chart in the morning. This, instead of me just give that, you might say, what do I do with this now? With our way, this way, I think live stream is one, we have a chat, we get to know each other as well, and we have a bit of a dialogue as well, yeah? And it saves me about, I would guess, about 4 hours, yeah? 4 hours.
Yeah.
And Junaid Bhai and everybody, you know why I want to save 4 hours?
Sorry, Uncle. Yeah.
I said, you know why I'm hoping to get you all onto live stream and YouTube to get everything, the daily levels and analysis and things and whatever, besides chatting. But I'm being selfish as well, and the reason I want to save 4 hours is so I can do music.
Right. Your second hobby. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So that's the only vested interest I have. I'll go 4 hours to do Riyaz, the kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, we got all the numbers in there. Okay, GBP, JEPI. Okay. Okay. Nothing doing in this one until it gives the V shape or a rounded bottom, and then you go for this 155. Yeah. 155 very important as well, number.
Okay.
31 times 5. Also, the pyramid number. There's quite a lot of things involved with 155. Okay. This is USD JP. Okay. Here again, what we've done in the webinar, not a very good example, but it will do for us learning kind of thing. Look, it was stuck in a range, yeah.
Yes.
The pull out was hardly anything. See, so we said if the pull out is weak, the pull down or up will be strong, yeah, and you get like a wash and rinse pattern, yeah. And look, it's done it, yeah. See. So the theory or whatever in the webinar we did two Sundays or so ago, you can see it in action, kind of thing, yeah. And by the way, I don't know how many from you came to the webinar that day. Give me a bit of feedback. Did it help? Is it working for you? Are you trying it or gone? Javed, welcome. Inshallah, Javed, this Sunday, I'm going to do the webinar again, yeah? And this webinar that I start on Sunday will last for around 3 weeks. Yeah? It will last so, but today is what day? Today is Thursday or Wednesday?
Thursday it is.
Oh my God, okay. So tomorrow I will finalize with Prabha as well, Sunday and what time is okay or suitable for everybody, yeah? And we will do it. We'll do it. Okay. USD JPY, AUD JPY was a short as well. Yeah. Look, yesterday, touch C2 and all the way. Okay. Give you all the levels in that one as well. Okay, Looney, yeah. Looney is Canadian, yeah. Touch C2 and reacting down. So wait for it and down. And with everything, Yadav, I'm 99.9% sure that I'm going to do the webinar on Sunday after 2 days. Now, 2 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, this weekend. Yeah, this weekend on Sunday. And I assume you've come from Prabha's channel, yeah? So we will give you the link and everything. And what I will do tomorrow when we do the live stream, I'll give the email and everything as well. So those who are coming and everything as well, or you can send me a message on Telegram anyway, and I will give you the link as soon as I set it up. So it will be by invitation, because we don't, those who never bother, we don't want them to come, yeah? Because I'd rather have one person than, hundreds of people, because that's not my ethos, I don't believe in that kind of thing, yeah? And we'll have fun, hopefully. And okay. Do you know why the Canadian is Abjan? Welcome, Dobro Jutro. Dobro Jutro. Is Abjan added on add to stream? Yes, Abjan is added as well. Welcome, Dobro Jutro, right? And do you guys know why the Canadian is called the loonie in the trade? Any idea? Shout out, speak out, do anything you like, but say something. Okay, no idea is good as well. No idea is good as well. Okay, it's not that it is mad. It is mad. I mean, USD CAD is, the name is quite correct. It's a loony bin in that it's a mad mover. But the name loony is, it's a time of war and all this and whatever have you. They used to call, I think, the Australians as limeys or limeys, I think, or something like that. And the Canadians were called loonies because one of the Canadian coins has like a national bird of theirs, which is called a loony. So it is the name of the bird, actually. Yeah, it's not not to do with the moon or anything. No. Yeah, but it's a mad mover. It is loony. I agree. And you will find, if you look at, you see, everything has a character, a rhythm, a character, a way. I don't know, in Hindi or Urdu we can say chalan. You understand the word chalan, yeah? It's nuance. And the chalan for this one is, it walks like a bloody camel. It walks like a camel, so it will go this and zoom, 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 and one strike, and then zoom, zoom, zoom. Like it does not smooth. This is a behavior of USD CAD. You will find the news or anything Canadian, which will be sleeping, and then all of a sudden start the camel move. Humping up and down. Yeah. And in the morning, I was looking, I posted the 432 numbers, whatever. I saw the loony at 1.2786, and I was thinking, oh, okay. Okay. So we wait and see. Also, I haven't looked, is there any, besides this Russian, sorry to use this word, crap, yeah? Is there any economic data coming out today? Any significant anything? I call news as noise. I don't try to read the numbers and all this and whatever, it's all rubbish, yeah? But I only keep in mind as to when a significant news is going to come, that's all. Because everything is built into the chart. The chart is king. Yeah, everything else follows afterward. News is old hat. Okay, USD CAD, you got the numbers, everyone. Euro GBP. Okay, same as the other ones. The waiting game. Okay, Euro AUD. Okay, it's slow. NZD makes a V shape, go for LOC MOB. GBP CHF start moves sometimes. Yep. Wait for base and then up. Okay. AUD NZD. Now sleeping mode. Euro NZD. Okay, it is giving us a rounded bottom, yeah? So if this bottom holds and you can do a trend line thing and then go for the MOB. And you need to watch for the policeman here. Yeah? And even though I'm not being lazy, but I keep on forgetting, I'll be honest with you. You must draw the lines in the middle, yeah? You must draw the lines in the middle. Yeah, cog of cog. Sorry, these lines moved out, but you know what I mean. You must draw the lines in between. Okay, Junaid. Okay. I mean, guys, feel free to talk as well, yeah, because I don't want to be alone talking to myself, yeah. Okay, got all the numbers, yes. GBP answer D. Similar situation as the other one. Nothing doing here. ADCHF. Okay, making like a rounded thing. Okay, but nothing, no juice, no juice. We wait and see when the Americans wake up and what mood they are in. Somebody may have posted a message. Walaikum salam, Dawat. Adam, welcome as well. Tamba Duet is somebody new, huh? Welcome. All welcome here. Okay. Right. AUD CAD, all the numbers here. Okay, got all the numbers. CAD, CHF, I don't know if you guys trade it. No. Need to wait. Jappy, CAD Jappy. Okay, it's making the V shape, yeah? So you can stop under below here, lines, and then see what happens upwards, yeah? Okay, GBP AUD. Okay, waiting game. Need to wait on this one. It's at LOC. Also, I noticed the last live stream we did or whatever a few weeks back, last week or I think maybe a week before. Do go and put honest comments there, That's all. Doesn't have to be praise all the time. You can give constructive criticism as well. I don't mind. Okay, GBP AUD, GBP CAD. Okay, letter N. Now we're in a range, yeah? We need to wait and see. The main thing is, forget even the pattern or anything. Main thing is, has it got speed? Has it got momentum? Is it alive? Is it going like a tortoise or is it going like a rabbit, yeah? So you need to find something that is going to cover your spread and give you something, Don't just say, oh, this is the setup and hit it and then say the thing is not moving. Yeah, no. Wait. Okay, this is a nice V shape. And so we're to LOC. Eurocard. Okay, now we need to wait at LOC. Does it do that? Well, but then if it breaks the LOC with force, we need to see the policeman here at near the MOB area and the other one above. So if you miss it, you can just wait and then do the reverse, yeah? Coco, mad mover. Yep, gap up, shoom. Okay. And one thing about commodities, they move like crazy. And when they move, or if they get into a trend or whatever, that trend can last for months and years. Huh? So when you trade that, you need to be understood of that and, play it accordingly. Yeah. Play it. You must know the instrument that you trade, what it is capable of, what it can do, what it can't do. Yeah. CHF JP, down V shape. Okay. F1, strength is not there. It's hardly moving. Okay. Volatility index. Aha. It's gone from the 21. Nice. Okay. Volatility index, yeah? If you want to take a positional play, even though we've been to 33 or whatever, you can, same thing, the ladder game, you can put a small cell and keep it, yeah? it will come down. It moves quite fast as well. And it is a mad mover as well. So be aware of that as well. If you're not sure, do it as a paper trade or, at the absolute smallest size, 0.01 or whatever, absolutely smallest, and learn it. But it will give you I'll give you an idea that you will see what I mean, that how mad it can move. Let's make it down. Can you see? To 81. Look at the spikes. Can you see that? Yeah. So that's why it's called the Volatility Index. Yeah. Okay. And you can see these lines are marked from years back. I do trade it quite often. Huh? Okay, got all the numbers. Mexican pesos, what's happening? Oh, Mexican is jumping up. Good. Okay, 0C2. Okay. I don't think many, but you must look at the spread. Yeah, you don't want to take something and it's got a massive spread. Yeah. Okay. Added Yadav to the thing as well. Sals I've added as well. Okay, Euro CHF, same game. V shape up. New Zealand CAD. Okay, we are at MO, we need to wait. New Zealand JEPI. Nah, this is walking like an Egyptian, yeah? You would struggle with it. Dollar index, yeah? I don't know. I'm guessing it's around, eyes are not working, so I'm guessing dollar index is around 96, I would think. Yeah, okay, 96.62, near enough. Okay. 96.44 is important from previous numbers in the dollar index. And above the 97.20 is very important as well. Yeah, so if you can't break the 97.20, it's going to come rocketing down as well. Yeah. You got all the numbers. Yeah. What's South Africa doing? The golden nation. Gold is going up like crazy, and all the gold comes from near South Africa, the biggest gold mines and diamond mines and De Beers and Rothschilds and whatever have you. And Mr. ZAR Rand is coming downwards a bit. Then a spike a little bit, but down. Okay, so same thing we had said, this trend, 60-degree handle, 66-degree handle. Okay, our one. There you can see, and then look, see the retrace? And we said this pop-up move, and you look for half retrace, 50%. Okay, all the numbers. Yep, all the numbers are there. And this pattern here, I call it usually as Merlin. Merlin. You know why Merlin? Because Merlin, the magician, wears a wizard's hat. I can't draw, but you can see, Halloween, the whatever wizard's hat, yeah? So you see, you got the wizard's hat, the V-shaped wizard's hat, and that can give you that. And sometimes we can even call it like the A pattern. Okay, market can't go sideways, but you can think of it as the A pattern, yeah? Depending on the legs. By the way, these are not, these two names and whatever I've given you, I make up my own names, but these are not my names. If you read up books of technical analysis, whatever, you will find those names mentioned. Yeah, they do not belong to me. Okay, copper going up. Copper is going up, which is a drop yesterday. Today is going up, and we call it as Dr. Copper. Yeah, call it as Dr. Copper. It usually tells you a turn is coming in S&P 500 and the Dow. If this bugger keeps on going up, copper is, you will see the floor traders taking buy positions in S&P. Exactly before what we said, look for deep or shallow low S2L, and then, but I do expect a knee-jerk bounce. And when I say knee-jerk, it might give you a knee-jerk that, to be careful of. Copper, platinum, what are we doing? The same as gold, because it's platinum used to be called as white gold. Yeah. Okay. Soybeans, another mad mover. Look at it. Biggest source of protein going up like crazy. Yeah. And this one as well, you get limit ups, limit downs. And on future accounts, really, if you don't have deep pockets, don't touch soybeans. Don't touch soybeans. Yeah, because I'm not talking of $5,000, $10,000 account. I'm talking of, if you don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade the futures properly in soybeans, don't even, just look at it for fun, for financial entertainment. Watch it, yeah, but don't ever put a position on the future in that. It will kill you. It doesn't take any prisoners. Okay. Nat gas. Okay. Same game. Nat gas today is Thursday, yeah? What? Oh, okay. I don't know, because I've been missing. Was there a holiday in America on Monday?
Yes, uncle. Exactly, don't know what holiday it is, but there is a holiday on
I think
Monday.
it might
I'll
be
just
what they
come
call it,
back to
like
you.
a President's Day or something.
Yeah, one sec. I'll just
I
let me.
think so. I'm only guessing at the moment. But if the Americans were early closings or whatever have you, then what might happen is today, Thursday, have a look and see that do they have oil inventories today and nat gas today at the same time?
Oil
Because
inventories is there. Nat
eh?
gas. Let me just. Oil inventories is there today on this one.
Okay, because usually it's Wednesday, but because of holiday, it is on a Thursday. So if it is on Thursday, then EI and nat gas will be a Thursday as well. Nat gas is always on a Thursday, huh? Always on a Thursday. It's very rare that they change it, huh?
Right.
And I think yesterday or day before is also was the expiry for Brent oil, yeah? So, okay.
Yeah, they have natural gas storage today, plus crude
EIA
oil
and nat gas,
inventories.
yeah. That's why I call it as EIA and nat gas, yeah? So,
Yeah.
we need to wait and see. So, it might just do a spike up and come down. Same with oil.
Right.
On the oil inventories, yeah. So, it will be fun. It will be fun, oil inventories. Is it at 4 o'clock UK time or 3:30? No? Okay. Okay. 48 is 12 times 4, yeah? Bitcoin. Nice, 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 nice. V shape it has done. F2 is the first target. Then we need to watch, yeah? And draw the line in between. Never mind F1 as the target. You need to draw a line in between here, Ignore this line, yeah? Okay. That's fine, yeah. Okay. Okay. Eyes. Okay. You got all the numbers? Okay, you got all the numbers. Litecoin. Same thing. V shape. Middle line. The 95, so around 90, 98, 9900 area need to watch. Then need to watch 102. Okay, Ethereum will be same story as well. And Junaid and everybody, you can see this is our line from way before years 2880. It's there. And you can see what happened when we broke it, yeah? And underneath we'll have lines as well. I think probably no, I can't find them. Maybe the top. Maybe. See 4888 2880, yeah?
Correct.
But these lines were
Understood.
marked after speaking with Vulture, years back, kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Same game. Stop below here. Middle. F2. Ripple. What are we doing? Ripple is okay. Same game. Same game again. Look for a bouncer. Okay. So now we've done the oil already up there. Okay. US 30 now. Because most of you guys trade what you call the cash index, not the futures, yeah? So you need the point moves will be the same, but this is the numbers you need for the cash index, yeah? So we'll just call it cash. Yeah. Daily towers, yeah. So this is the numbers you need, yeah? Okay. Now, what else is there? S&P 500 cash as well. Same thing. And you can call it SP 500, US 500. Wait. US 500 cash. Yeah. This is the numbers you need. This is the line you have to break. But like I said, bounce might come up. Then we're going to look for it coming down much lower, around this 3,800 area or whatever I was saying before, yeah? Okay. Indian rupee, always look at it. Wow. Indian rupee is flying at the moment, huh? Yeah, you can short it. Guys, you are in India, you can short your own country's money. Yeah, you short everything else, you can short this one. You have permission to short it. I'm being serious. If you trade Indian rupee, then look to sell it, and you can sell it now and just leave it a bit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Amsterdam. 720, 707. Okay. 708 we are okay. Nice. But most of these we will need to see today as to when the American market opens now, because at the moment the Americans are sleeping. By the way, we had the palindromic date on the 22nd of February. Yeah. Sometimes
Yes,
it
yeah.
can skew, and we usually say plus or minus 3 days. Yeah. And you can see from that date to now what happened in the market. Expect turbulence. Yeah. We got turbulence. Yes. We can call this
Right.
turbulence. I'm sure we can. I'm sure we can.
Yeah.
Okay. HSI, same game as those ones. Yeah. Nikkei, same game. Same game. Same game. Singapore, what is happening in Singapore? Look. Gap down, straights down. Okay. We had one guy called Eric. Yeah, he used to from Singapore. So he used to trade it, because his country's currency. Coffee 248. Okay. Coffee as well. I think will be expiring. Brent is gone. So yeah. No, just leave it aside. Leave it aside. Okay. I can't read it. Gold futures. Yeah. Gold futures are at 1947. Yeah. And the cash gold is at 1945. There's only a difference of $1.50. Yeah. So end of the month game and contract expiry. Yeah. Need to be aware of that. But you don't trade. It's just to look. Sometimes it's good to look at the future price and the price of cash spot gold, so you can see that if the cash is more expensive than the future, that is known as what you call as backwardation, yeah, or contagion even. And that means that there is a lot of uncertainty in the market. Normal thing is the future should be higher than the cash. Okay, guys, and so do it all. We've done it. We've done it. We've done it. We've done it.
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
We've done the whole lot.
Correct, uncle. Yeah.
So anyone anything to say? There's only 3, 4, 4. I'm surprised. Anyway, maybe they're sleeping, or maybe they're looking for ambulances or whatever, or screaming at the charts or whatever. Yeah. Or they're very wise. They're keeping away from the market. Yeah. That is a wise move. That's a wise move.
Because of turbulence. Yeah.
Yeah. No,
As you
because
said.
you see, like, either you are struggling in pain and stuck on whatever, an ambulance, you don't want to talk with anyone, hiding under the table. Yeah. That is all us normal traders. But a wise trader would say, let the storm finish, then I will get in. You see, they don't come out in the rain. So maybe they are wise.
Right.
They say there's a saying, in the markets, yeah, in Wall Street or whatever, there is old and bold. Old and bold traders, yeah.
Old and bold.
Not old and bold, yeah. That's what they say.
Right.
In one you lose all your hair, yeah, and the other ones, the old one. Sorry, it's not my saying. This is a market saying as well. Nah? Danish, welcome as well, yeah. And I'm saying welcome to you, and I'm going to say goodbye to you as well because we're going now. Okay, so unless anyone has anything to ask or question or something or whatever, I don't know. Otherwise, I think we've done like nearly an hour and a half, I think.
Yeah, almost close to that. And there is one Sumit Mane asking how to draw the levels in the comments, uncle.
Oops, let's see. Sumit, you mean how to draw these levels? You mean this daily levels? Yeah, that is 35 years of work. And if I tell you this one, then I have to take you outside, and I have to just do this to you, because top secret. This knowledge is not to be given or to be sold to anyone. Use it like a cup of tea. Enjoy the cup of tea. You don't need to know how it's made. Believe me, it's a lot of work as well. It's a lot of work, and I do it manually as well. Huh? But first thing is get the foundation, everything right. Everything will fit in a place. Yeah. By me saying, "Oh, this is how you do it," it will not work for you. It will not. It will not work in the sense that if the rest of the what you call the thing is not in place, then it's not a magic bullet, because I have to manually look at everything and do everything. Yeah. So that's why, like I was saying, look, the S pattern is the N pattern, is the egg of Columbus, is that. So you put it all together. Yeah. Okay. So put on the YouTube, please do subscribe, and also put a comment, but put an honest comment. Put an honest comment. I'm not after praise and patting my back and all this. No, no, no. Just tell the truth. If you're happy with it, will you come again? Did it help you? Okay. And like I always say, if you need something for me to look at, I will look at it. I'll tell you. You have all my contacts and everything. Yeah.
Sure,
So
Uncle.
okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So shall we close it, and then I can run away a little bit and then come back? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Uncle.
I
Thank you very much.
have to go. Okay. Okay. So bye, everybody. Yeah. And I'm going to check everyone's made a comment or not.
Sure, sure, Insha. Sure.
And also, before we go, I don't know how to do it. They've changed. We'll do that tomorrow. The Discord link. Yeah. We'll do that tomorrow. Yeah? Because most of you are all there anyway. It's just one or two are not there. We will see tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to end the broadcast now. Final round, 1, 2, 3, gone.